Shruti and you are watching my channel Makeup Artist by Shruti, and welcome to my brand new video. So let's get started. So today I am gonna talk about all the highlighters I have in my collection. I have got only few highlighters as I didn't get time to collect more. So these are the highlighters which I have in my collections. There are not many. There are only 6 highlighters from which I use some and some I don't use. I have only one high-end product and all are on budget-friendly product. Highlighters are something that every girl loves to wear. A look is not complete without a highlighter. A highlighter is a must. In a everyday wear, if you don't wear a makeup also, then only just you brush a little highlighter and you are ready to go. So let's not talk much and start with the highlighters. So these are the highlighters which I have with me in my vanity. I'm showing from the first highlighter which I have bought to the last highlighter which I have bought. So first highlighter which I have bought like more than 3 years maybe, that was this Savannah Colors highlighter, Savannah Colors brick highlighter. This is this very nice highlighter. It doesn't have any chunky particles. I have brought this from a local store in Kolkata, located in New Market. It was costed me around 450 because at that time this costed 450 only everywhere in online also. So I didn't purchase it online. I purchased it from a local shop from Kolkata. So I will give you these swatches. This doesn't have any chunky particles in it. This is the best part of this highlighter. This was my life's first highlighter which I have bought. At that time I was not a makeup artist or anything. I was just a normal girl who loved to buy a highlighter, for which I have brought this. So this highlighter I personally love the most, and I don't know the shade of which shade I have bought because it is so old, so I don't know the shade number, but it has more like bronzy shades in it. You can see that. So this was the first highlighter which I have brought in my life. So let's get to my next highlighter. So the next highlighter is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. This is in the shade E319B and the name is Blossom Glow. So this is a pinkish toned highlighter, you can see. So this is a pinkish toned highlighter. I will give you the swatches in a while. This was a gift by one of my friend on my birthday. So I like this highlighter a lot, so he gifted me this, and it has some petal design made here which I have removed because I have used it a lot. So I love this highlighter also. It is good for fair skin tone people, fair to medium skin tone people, as it is pinkish in color. For tanned people, this highlighter I don't think it will suit. For medium to fair skin tone, it will go very nicely. So this is one highlighter which I have with me. I don't know the price. I will mention it on the screen here. So this was a gift and I wanted it desperately, but I was not buying it. So he gifted me as a birthday gift. I love this as daily wear because for day makeup it goes very well with my skin tone. So anyone with my skin tone can easily take it. The shade number is Blossom Glow. This is the Precious Petals, I think. So this was my second highlighter. So let's get into the next highlighter which I have. Next highlighter is this one. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, metallic illuminator. This is a metallic color. Metallic means it is golden in color, as you can see. See, this is golden in color. I have personally brought it for my bridals because in bridal I have to give this goldenish finish to my bride. So I have brought this for that. I will give the swatches in the next clip. I brought this from Flipkart. I don't know the price. I will mention it on the screen. So this highlighter is also a favorite of mine as I don't have any highlighter of this golden finish. So for that time I brought this because you know in Bengali brides they want a goldenish finish to their makeup. So for that I brought this. This gives a nice and subtle glow to the brides. I personally don't use it. I don't do so much makeup or so heavy makeup. I do some simple makeup like today only. So if you want me to do a video on this look, then obviously do comment. And so this was my third highlighter. This is in a golden finish. and this is a must-go highlighter for every brides. I could suggest. I will only recommend to brides only because this is a very heavy highlighter. The next highlighter I have is this Sugar highlighter, Sugar Contour de Force Mini Highlighter. I got it in the previous lockdown of 2020, and it is of the shade 01 Champagne Champion. This shade number is 01. This is also a very nice highlighter, very subtle. It melts in the skin very nicely, and this is of a color champagne color. I will give the swatches. This is a very travel friendly product, so for which I take it in my bag every time I go out. This is of the color champagne color, so this color also will suit only to fair to medium skin tone people. I am medium skin tone, so it goes with my skin, and if anyone with deeper skin tone than me, don't take it because it will not go with your skin tone. So this costed me $3.99. I took it from Purple. This was also a nice highlighter, and this is my everyday highlighter, I could say that, because I usually when I go out in the daytime I wear this. So this is also a very good product, and I love this product very much. I will also recommend you people to take it. It has some chunky particles in it, but it's okay, it's not so much showing. It is also a nice highlighter. So let's get to the next highlighter. So the next highlighter I have is actually not a highlighter, it is a highlighter palette, you could say. This is from the brand called Hilary Rhoda. I got it from Amazon. The colors are very nice, you could see that. But this particular product I have not purchased because I have ordered something else from Amazon and they gave me this. I have ordered that Swiss Beauty Baked eyeshadow palette, which looks similar like this, but the colors are different. When I mailed them and told to replace this item, they told that not let it be. We don't want the replacement. We will give you the money back. I got back my money and they also did not take it, so it is with me only. I didn't usually use it. I have not even a single day have used it because this particular product has very much chunky particles and it doesn't give you that glow. Also, I will give you the swatches in the next day. These are the colors. It has all the highlighter shades you want. You have this champagne shade, this pearl shade, this is a bronzing shade, and all these are goldenish shade. The colors are amazing, but they are very much chunky, so I usually don't use it, and also I don't use it on my brides also because it doesn't give that finish which all the previous highlighters I have shown they give. So this was the fifth highlighter I had with me, which I don't use. So let's get to the next highlighter. So the last but not the least highlighter which I have is my most favorite highlighter, and it is on the high-end product. That is from MAC. I purchased it maybe 2 months back only. So this is the inner packaging. See that? I have first purchased this MAC product and I'm just in love with this. I just can't say how much love I have for this particular product. So this is of MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter. This is this mineralized skin finish powder definition. So I love this. It has new for which I have all the packaging which it has been given along with this. So this is the upper cover. I have still not misplaced it. So this is the color. I just loved it. Just see the packaging. I'm just in love with this. Let me give you a swatch. I have this powder brush with me. I will give a swatch with this only. Just see the color. OMG, I love this color. The shade is soft and gentle. This is that particular shade which will go with every skin tone you want. For which I have brought this. This will go with any bride of mine. I have made maybe 3 to 4 brides after buying it. So they love the glow. This gives a very nice glow. You can build it up mainly. If you want a subtle glow, just apply it one time only. If you want the glow to be in a higher level, then you can build it up, which gives a very nice glow. The last bride, maybe 2 to 3 days back, I have given this. I have done a makeup She just loved it, and she was telling that please give me the shade number, I also want to buy it. So I have given her the number. And seriously guys, if you want a highlighter in a high end, and if you want to invest in highlighters, then I would really suggest you to please buy this highlighter. This is really good. I have personally brought it because I was not in a plan to buy it, but this was always in my wish list. I have brought it 2 months back from Nykaa. There was a sale going on MAC. I was getting 20% off on MAC products, so I bought 2 products from MAC. One is this one, another I have got a Prep Plus fixer. So this product is like heaven to me. I love this product, and I will really suggest everyone to buy this. You can see my expression and feel that how much I love it. And in all the previous videos of mine, I have also talked about this. This is just love to me. The makeup product which I love the most is highlighter, and lastly this is the highlighter which I love the most. This was priced around maybe 3100, so I got it on a discount of 20%. I don't know how much it will cost, you may calculate, or I will give it on the screen. This was the last highlighter which I have purchased, and this was all the highlighters I have with me. So if you like the video, then obviously don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon near it. You will get the notification as soon as I upload a video. And yeah, so this was my video. Thank you for watching, and please shower your love to me, it means a lot. See you soon in my next video. Till then, tada.